The monsoon is a complex weather phenomenon that profoundly impacts various regions across the globe, especially in South Asia. Understanding its different aspects, including the distinction between the winter and summer monsoons, the branches of the Indian monsoon, characteristics, onset, breaks, retreats, and the factors influencing its behavior such as El Niño, La Niña, Walker cell, Southern Oscillation, Indian Ocean Dipole, and Western Disturbances, requires a comprehensive examination. Let's delve into each of these topics in detail. 1. Monsoon Overview. The monsoon is a seasonal shift in wind patterns, characterized by a pronounced change in precipitation. It is primarily associated with the Indian subcontinent, but also affects neighboring regions such as Southeast Asia, East Asia, and Africa. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mawsam, meaning season. 2. Winter monsoon versus summer monsoon. 10 points. Winter monsoon, also known as the northeast monsoon, prevails from October to March, originates from the north or northeast direction, bringing cold and dry air, brings rainfall to southern India, mainly along the eastern coast, less intense compared to the summer monsoon but still contributes to the region's overall precipitation. Summer monsoon, also known as the southwest monsoon, occurs from June to September. Originates from the southwest, drawing moisture from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Characterized by heavy rainfall, critical for agriculture and water resources, the primary source of rainfall for the Indian subcontinent, contributing around 80% of total annual precipitation.
3. Branches of Indian monsoon. Arabian Sea branch carries moisture then winds from the Arabian Sea. Influences the western and central parts of India. Sub-branch, Gujarat branch, affecting the western part of India. Bay of Bengal branch, carries moisture from the Bay of Bengal. Influences the eastern and northeastern parts of India. Sub-branch, Ganga Valley branch, which extends into the northern plains. 4. Characteristics of Indian monsoon, meaning, the Indian monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal of wind patterns, leading to pronounced changes in precipitation across the Indian subcontinent. Causes. The primary causes of the Indian monsoon include differential heating and cooling of land and sea, the presence of the Indian landmass, and the Tibetan Plateau. Formation. The monsoon is formed due to the development of low-pressure systems over the Indian subcontinent, which draw in moisture then winds from the surrounding oceans. Impact. The Indian monsoon has significant implications for agriculture, economy, water resources, and the overall livelihoods of millions of people residing in the region.
5. Onset, break, and retreat of monsoon. Onset. The onset of the monsoon is marked by the arrival of rainfall over the Kerala coast in southern India, typically around June 1. It gradually progresses northward, covering the entire Indian subcontinent over the following weeks. Break. The monsoon experiences periodic breaks or interruptions in rainfall, often associated with the weakening or shifting of monsoon winds. These breaks can last for several days to weeks and have implications for agriculture and water availability. Retreat. The retreat of the monsoon refers to the withdrawal of rainfall from the Indian subcontinent, typically beginning in September and extending into October. It starts from the northwest region and gradually recedes southward. 6. Rainfall by monsoon. Maximum rainfall. Regions such as the Western Ghats, northeastern states, and parts of the Himalayas receive the highest amount of rainfall during the monsoon season. Heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is common during the monsoon, leading to flooding, especially in low-lying areas and river basins. Intermediate rainfall. Moderate to heavy rainfall is distributed across vast regions, contributing to soil moisture and agricultural productivity. Less rainfall. Some regions, such as the rainshadow areas like the Thar Desert, experience comparatively lower rainfall during the monsoon season. Least rainfall. Areas with arid climates, such as parts of Rajasthan, receive minimal rainfall during the monsoons. 7. El Niño La Niña, El Niño. El Niño is a climate phenomenon characterized by warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. It disrupts normal weather patterns worldwide, leading to drought conditions, reduced rainfall, and higher temperatures in some regions, including India. La Niña. La Niña is the opposite phase of El Niño, characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. It tends to enhance the Indian monsoon, leading to above-average rainfall in certain regions. 8. Walker cell and southern oscillation. Walker cell. The Walker cell is an atmospheric circulation pattern driven by temperature and pressure differences between the eastern and western Pacific Ocean. It influences the strength and direction of the Indian monsoon, particularly during the El Niño and La Niña events. Southern oscillation. The southern oscillation is the atmospheric component of the El Niño Southern Oscillation (ENSO) phenomenon. It refers to the periodic fluctuation of air pressure between the eastern and western Pacific Ocean, influencing global weather patterns, including the Indian monsoon. 9. Indian Ocean Dipole, IOD. Indian Ocean Dipole. The Indian Ocean Dipole, IOD, is a climate phenomenon characterized by the difference in sea surface temperatures between the western and eastern parts of the Indian Ocean. Positive IOD events can lead to above-average rainfall in the Indian subcontinent, while negative IOD events can result in drought conditions. 10. Western disturbance. Western disturbance. Western disturbances are weather systems that originate in the Mediterranean region and move eastwards towards the Indian subcontinent. During the winter season, western disturbances can bring rainfall, snowfall, and cooler temperatures to northern India, particularly the Himalayan region. They play a crucial role in replenishing water sources, benefiting agriculture. But excessive rainfall from western disturbances can also lead to flooding and landslides.